Hey everyone! Welcome back to Keto Challenge Easy, the place where we make keto delicious and super easy. If you're looking for a mouth-watering, low-carb, and absolutely irresistible dish, you've come to the right place. Today, we're making a flavorful garlic butter shrimp with cauliflower rice that's not only keto-friendly but also packed with flavor. You won't believe how simple this recipe is, and trust me, your taste buds will be doing a happy dance. Alright, let's get started with our ingredients. We're going to need 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined, 2 tablespoons of butter. Yes, the more the better, right? 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of red pepper flakes, optional, if you want a little kick, 1 head of cauliflower, chopped. We'll be making that rice. Salt and pepper to taste. Sounds simple? That's because it is. But just wait till you taste it. You're gonna be hooked. First up, let's make that cauliflower rice. Grab your food processor and pulse the cauliflower florets until they resemble rice grains. If you don't have a food processor, no worries. You can use a box grater. But let's be real, the food processor is the way to go if you're all about saving time. Now, heat up a large skillet over medium heat. Toss in about 1 tablespoon of butter, and throw your cauliflower rice in there. Sauté for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. We want it to be tender but still have a nice bite to it. Season with a little salt and pepper. Set that cauliflower rice aside for now. Next, in the same skillet, melt the rest of your butter. And I mean the good butter over medium-high heat. Add in your chopped garlic, and let that garlic sizzle and fill your kitchen with the most amazing aroma. I'm telling you, it's like a party in here. Once the garlic's nice and fragrant, toss in your shrimp. Season them with a little salt and pepper, and cook those shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until they're pink and perfectly cooked through. Then, squeeze in that fresh lemon juice and sprinkle those red pepper flakes if you like a little extra heat. Now comes the best part. Grab that cauliflower rice and add it right into the skillet with the shrimp. Toss everything together so that the cauliflower rice is coated in that amazing garlic butter sauce, and your shrimp is all nice and nestled in there. It's a keto dream come true, people. Okay, before you dive in and enjoy this mouth-watering dish, don't forget to like this video if you're loving this recipe so far, share it with your friends who are on their keto journey, and of course subscribe to our channel Keto Challenge Easy, so you never miss out on a new easy keto recipe like this one. Also, if you want to level up your keto game, check out the affiliate link in the description below for some awesome keto products that'll make your cooking even easier. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. And if you have any questions, or if you've tried this recipe and loved it, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you all, and I'm always here to help with any keto tips you need. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this delicious garlic butter shrimp with cauliflower rice as much as I do. It's low carb, full of flavor, and super satisfying. Until next time, keep it keto, keep it easy. And as always, happy cooking.